Okay, so here's the goal. We're going to add to the pod. You're going to go and sign into your account. You're going to have a screen like this, and you go to the podcast library sections, which is right here. So these are all the podcasts. We're going to be adding all the ones from this sheet right here that I sent you. Okay, so go through this whole thing and add them all in. Now on this sheet, not every one of these people here are podcasters. Some of them are, there's categories. We only want the podcast categories that are podcasts. So let's see. Yeah. I would, yeah, just add them all. It's fine. So how to add them is number one, go to the top, go to add podcast, and you're going to go here to the name. So this is the name of the podcast right here. So you're going to type in what should I read? Capital, of course. Read next. And the host is Ann right here. So you can just copy here that right there. Paste it there. So we don't know the we definitely have to have the genre, the email, and website, iTunes link, and email. So all these are all these up here are very important. And the website and the iTunes link and the description, which is down here. So the email, we're going to grab that right now. Copy, paste. We're not going to be able to get the genre right now because I don't show it here. I'm going to show you how to get that from iTunes. And then we're going to take this right here, put that in the notes right there. And the website is right here. On the website, just paste it right in there. So all we need now is the iTunes link and the genre. Okay, we're not going to worry about the social media right now. So you have to hit update program before you add the image. You have to add the product first, and then you're going to go to the very bottom, and you'll see it's down the bottom. And then you go and edit it. So edit, and now you add the image. So, but first you have to go to iTunes and get the image. So click on search on Google, and it should pull it. You'll see the iTunes link right here. Click on that. So this is the podcast. So then we made a podcast folder on your desktop. So you're going to take that image. It's not going to show up on my video here, but you take this image, drag it into your podcast folder. Okay, then you're going to grab the genre or category from here. Add the category there. Grab the link, the URL right here. And add that right there. Oops. And then, so now we got all that there. We got all that correct. And then you'll add the image from your podcast thing. So it's that image right there. You're going to make sure you click upload, and you see the words image created, and then add the product, and then you're done. Okay. So make sure you create the record first, and then you go back later to add the image. The reason you have to do that is it has to create an ID number for it to associate that image to. So that's all we have to do. And we have to do all of these in here one by one, adding them all. And just remember that all the things are going to go to the bottom. So as you add them, they'll be on the bottom. And you'll notice, like in this picture here, it's not showing the image yet. And after every 10 or so, you can go down here and you can check to see if the images are actually there. Click on View Podcasts and scroll to the bottom. You should see that they are working. So they did add. So we're good. They should add. So any questions? That's it. So basically, add podcast, add the podcast name, host, email, and description, and then save it, and then come back. There's going to be a little link right here. Click on the Google thing to find it, and you'll go and you'll get your genre and the image and the category here, genre category. I should just change that to and then the link from the URL. Click from there, and then add those in here. So genre there, and I'm going to change that to category, and then website if they have the website there, iTunes link, all that in there, and then add the image the second time around. Okay, I hope this helps. Any questions, give me a ring, and just let me know when you work on them. I'll go look at them.